Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your voicemail password on your Android even if you forgot it. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the phone app. So if you haven't already, open up that phone app and let's tap on the keypad here. Let's check to make sure that you have set a passcode. If you just got this phone or if you don't know it, you might not have set the passcode in the first place. So to be able to test it, we're going to press and hold on the number 1, and you can see it will call your voicemail. Now, if it doesn't ask you for a passcode or it asks you to set up a passcode, that's a great sign. Basically, just set up a new passcode. However, if it does ask you for that passcode, you've already set it, and we need to now change it or reset it. The first thing that I would recommend doing is a lot of times the default passcode for your voicemail are the last 4 digits of your phone number. So if you don't know that passcode, you could just try the last 4 digits of your passcode, or your phone number, just type that in there and see if that works. If that doesn't work for you, let's still be in the phone app here. So let's wait till it gets out of there. Tap on keypad at the bottom left here. And then we're going to tap on those 3 dots at the top right. From here, just tap on the settings option at the bottom, and you'll be able to see your settings in the phone app. If I scroll down, there is voicemail. Just choose voicemail, and you can see service provider voicemail number, which is my phone number, and notifications. It doesn't give me the option to change that voicemail password in here, but in some instances on some Android phones and some carriers, it will. And if it does, just update the password or change it directly in here. However, if that doesn't work for you, let's hop out of here and instead swipe up to get to the app drawer. And from here, we're just going to search for visual voicemail and tap on it. If you do have visual voicemail set up, the passcode could potentially be in there and you just need to update it in that app. In my case, I don't have it set up and it's not working with my carrier. So if you do have that set up, just check it in there to get to your settings in the visual voicemail and update it. Now, let's say all of these ideas don't work. You still can't reset your password. All you need to do is head into a web browser. And in my case, I have AT&T, but you can look up whatever carrier you have and type in voicemail password reset. And you can see voicemail password reset, call *98 on your phone, or you can also dial 611. So I can just open up a phone app and dial let me see what it was, 98, and then hit call. And then I can go through the process of resetting that. Again, just search for your specific carrier. Now, another option you have is just to scroll down and call the provider that you have, AT&T in this case. Or, of course, you can just log into your account if you wanted to log into your account or download the app for that carrier. There are a bunch of different options that are carrier specific. So just look it up how you can do it on your carrier, either by calling, website, app, etc. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.